Hello friends, today I am going to present before you the third part of matrix operations, that is multiplication of matrices. So whenever we have to go for multiplication of matrices, we have to see that there must be two matrices. Like we can say that there are two matrices A and B. So the condition here is that the number of columns of first matrix must be equal to the number of rows second matrix. Like if we suppose that there are two matrices A and B, so in order to get AB, we have to see the number of columns of A matrix and number of rows of B matrix must be equal. So this is the golden principle. So let's suppose that if A matrix is of order Mn, like A matrix is of order Mn and B matrix is of order say XY, right? So what we will get? We will get AB. When we multiply these two, we will get AB and the order will be, this is M and Y. So this would be the order. Okay. Now let me explain you the concept of multiplication with the help of an example. So let us suppose I have two matrices, A as 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5. So this matrix is of order 2 by 3. And we have another matrix B. Let's suppose its elements are 5, 1, 0, minus 6, 0 and 3. And this matrix is of order 3 into 2. Okay. So this is my matrix. So what I will do, first of all, I have to see that whether is it possible to multiply AB or BA. Like suppose if it is in question, it is given solve AB and BA if possible. Okay. So first of all, I will go for AB. Let's say AB. In order to calculate AB, first of all, I have to see whether the number of rows number of columns of A. Number of columns of A is 3 and number of rows in B is 3. So yes, we can say these are equal, 3 and 3. Number of columns here are 3 and number of rows here are 3. So yes, we can say this multiplication is possible. Okay. So to find AB, what I will do, I will first see that the rows of A matrix and I will take the column of B matrix. Okay, rows of A matrix and column of B matrix. In this way I will start doing the sum. So in order to calculate, I will first write here 1, minus 2 and 3. See, this is my first row of first matrix. This row is to be multiplied with first column of second matrix. This is 5, minus 1 and 0. Okay. In the same way, I will again write the elements of first row 1, minus 2 and 3. And then I will write the second column, which is minus 6, 0 and 3. Okay. Then second row, let me explain one more time. First row with first column, first row with second column. Now second row with first column and second row with second column. So minus 4, 2, 5. This is my second row of first matrix and first column of second matrix. Again, second row of first matrix and second column of second matrix. Okay, so this is the sum, right? Now what I will do now, 1, so this is my whole matrix. Okay, this way I will get, so 1 into 5, so I will write here as 1 into 5. Then plus sign, always use plus sign, okay? So minus 2 into minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1. And 3 into 0. So plus 3 into 0. So first element of row into first element of column. Second element of row into second element of column. And third element of row into third element of column. In the same way, 1 into minus 6 plus minus 2 into 0, minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 3. Okay, so this way I will get this way values also. Again, minus 4 into 5 plus 2 into minus 1 and plus 5 into 0. Minus 4 into minus 6 plus 2 into 0 and plus 5 into 3. 5 into this 3. Okay, now I will solve this sum. What I will get? 5 into 1, 5. Minus 2 into minus 1, I will get plus 2 and plus 0. 4 minus 4 into 5, I will get minus 20. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 5 into 0 is 0. Okay, so say in the same way, 1 into minus 6, that is minus 6. Minus 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 4 into minus 6, minus 20 plus 24. Minus minus will become plus. 2 into 0, 0. And 5 into 3, 50. So if I will solve this, I will get 5 plus 2 plus 0. I will get 7. Minus 6 plus 9 is positive 3. Minus 20 minus 2, it's minus 22. And 24 plus 15, this is positive 39. So this is my AB matrix. So I will get here as 2 into 2. Now see here, in the beginning I told you AB MY. M is what? The number of rows of A matrix. So how many rows are there? 2. So here I will get 2. And Y is number of columns of B matrix. So how many columns are there? 2. So I will get here 2. So this is MY, that is 2 into 2. So this is the solution for AB. Now if I have to find out BA, which is given in the question, this BA. So BA, how we calculate? In the same way, first of all we will write B and then I will write A. So B matrix is 5, minus 1, 0, minus 6, 0 and 3. This is my order of 3 by 2. And my A matrix is 1, minus 4, minus 2, 2 and 3, 5. This is of order 2 by 3. So what I have to see, that the number of columns in B matrix, that is 2, is equals to number of rows in A matrix, that is 2. So yes, we can say BA is also possible. Okay, so in order to do practice, try to calculate the values of BA and see you soon with the next video and with next problem. Thank you.